This message is for you. My name is Officer Jack Austin. You just hung up the phone on my face. I was just trying to provide you all the information regarding your lawsuit. There has been a legal case filed against your name, but you just hung up the phone. So I'm just trying to help you out, but you're not trying to work with me. So if you do not want any type of legal action and hard consequences at your doorsteps as well as at your place of work, and before I contact your manager over there, just give me a call on 567-248. Okay, now repeat, it's 567-248. Otherwise, be ready to face the worst nightmare of your life.